Cambodia. Can you imagine a country where paradise meets the shadows of a brutal dictator's regime? After a month exploring Cambodia's landscapes and history, we've uncovered its rich culture for you. In this video, we'll guide you through the top 3 must-visit places in Cambodia, which you definitely shouldn't miss out. In the end, we'll share a unique perspective of Angkor Wat that just a few travelers may experience. First up is Phnom Penh, Cambodia's lively capital. From hectic traffic to the calmness of the majestic royal palace, we'll show you the heart of this city and share stories of its resilient people. Join us as we walk along the riverside and see the locals in their daily lives. The beautiful temples and the atmosphere felt very calm and relaxing. But this hasn't always been like this. From 1975 to 1979, under the rule of dictator Pol Pot, approximately 25% of the population, nearly 2 million people, were killed. This dark period profoundly impacted Cambodian society. Being shocked after learning more about this tragedy, we are about to change locations to explore another part of the country. We took a local supply boat to the island of Koh Rong and its pristine beaches, known for its crystal clear waters and lush mangrove forests. This island is a paradise for nature lovers. Experience the tranquility of Koh Rong through our lens, from the breathtaking aerial views to the serene moments walking through mangrove forests.
After getting some impressions about Cambodian daily activities and routines, we could describe Cambodian society in 3 words. One of the first things we noticed when we arrived to the country is their optimism. Even though they went through a really difficult time, today you can see them smiling, being positive, and always willing to help you.
Yeah, like the guy we met in the supermarket in Phnom Penh, who just wanted to ask us for our travel plans. He was really proud of Cambodia and Angkor Wat and taught us that we shouldn't see it only as a tourist destination, but also as a symbol of national pride.
True, he was really friendly. He even recommended us some places to visit. That's another characteristic of Cambodian society, their hospitality. For example, the owner of our homestay in the island Koh Rong, he was always with a big smile.
Yeah, or the guy who just gave us a hitchhike out of nowhere in the middle of Koh Rong, and he couldn't speak a word of English, like the kids of the homeowner in Koh Rong, who just wanted to ask us questions and talk with us only using the Google Translator.
After the regime, there are just a few people from the older generations. Mostly you see kids and young people in the country.
And these kids are shaping the future of the country. That's why it's so cool that they are very optimistic and friendly, but also resilient. Like the tuk-tuk driver in Siem Reap, who picked us up at 4 a.m. in the morning and was willing to learn our language to communicate with us.
And finally, there's no trip to Cambodia without visiting the iconic temples of Angkor Wat. Enjoy our unique perspectives.
After receiving permission from local authorities and creating a way to respectfully and safely fly the drone over the temples, this is how it looks from above. If you enjoyed exploring the unique ways of Cambodian life with us, check out the top 10 of Vietnam's must-see locations here.